Hi everyone, this is Stephen Adams, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about the Wealthy Education Advanced Technical Analysis course. Technical analysis is one way to analyze a stock to determine future price movement. We can use technical analysis to find bullish trends or bearish trends, or to identify stocks trading in a range. We combine technical analysis with chart patterns, which provide us with important trading tools like support and resistance, with candlesticks, which can indicate trend change and help us measure investor sentiment, and with trading psychology, which we use in combination with indicators to provide an advantage in our trading by understanding how the market is behaving and giving us an idea based on current conditions of where institutional and retail investors may move the market. In the Advanced Technical Analysis course, we'll be looking at support and resistance, trend indicators, which can tell us whether our stock is trending bullishly or bearishly, which is not always identifiable by simply looking at a price and volume chart. Volatility indicators, which can indicate whether a stock or market is about to make a big move in either direction, or whether a trend is coming to an end. Momentum indicators will tell us the strength of the trend that our stock is currently in, and volume indicators, which combine price and volume to often give us an idea that a trend is approaching even before it arrives. With all of these technical indicators, we'll be looking at various time frames and ways that we can use the indicators in multiple time frame analysis. So let's talk about what you'll learn in this course. By learning how to use the technical indicators that we'll be going over, you'll learn to become a highly profitable trader. You'll be able to perform multiple time frame analysis using a variety of indicators in combination with other indicators and even with other types of analysis. We'll talk about how to trade support and resistance, which can add a large amount of profitability to your portfolio. We'll also talk about how to identify market trends and what the strength is within a trend. And we'll do this by learning how to use over 20 advanced tools for analyzing market trends, volatility, momentum, and volume. For each of the indicators that we talk about, we'll use a real-world example, show how to place the indicators on a chart, and provide examples of buy and sell signals that the indicators generate. We look forward to having you in the course, and we can't wait to see you on the first video inside. Thanks again, and we'll see you in just a minute.